cut it?
Cut what?
The video.
I think so.
Woo! That was my... That worked.
I'm winning.
Hit it up. Hit it up, Erin. Hit it up, Erin. Hit it up. Hit it up.
Hit it up. Hit it up.
Woo! Stir it.
That's the way it goes, ain't it? Balls flying through your legs. Over here. I'm over here.
Oh,
Come on.
hit it.
I can't see because of the light in the room, in the window. Jesus Christ, Chloe.
Yeah, I'm not bad at it. I hate tennis.
Sit.
I fucking hate tennis.
The auntie would be so proud. Hey, that was good. I was impressed. Good rally.
I thought they went through the hole in.
Like a clown. Softly, dear,
Yeah, no,
softly.
I hate tennis. Because you know how much I used to hate it?
That much.
That Mum and Dad used to make us go to
Slam it.
fucking straight over the fence. I'm like, watch the tennis coach go, and we're like, fucking bang!
How hard and how far?
Straight. Yeah.
I love tennis.
That didn't work.
Sorry.
Nah. I think the video's probably getting really boring right now.
I forgot about it.
Fuck what they say. Shit, mother. How do you stop this?